Hi guys, this is your friend Crypto King. How are you doing, guys? This is September 2nd, and the market is moving in sideways. First of all, guys, my apologies for not posting videos for last couple of weeks. I was traveling, and now I'm back, and let's start reviewing the market. Let's see what's going on in the market. So as you can see, guys, this is Bitcoin's daily chart, and Bitcoin is coming down for last couple of weeks. It hit my support level at 108,012, and it is bouncing from that support level. Now the whole world is becoming bearish on Bitcoin and the overall crypto market. Everyone is saying September is going to be the bearish month, and they are projecting Bitcoin at $94,000 and altcoins moving down. They're saying market will be selling off. Even some so-called influencers are saying this is the market top, and now we will go in a bear market. Well, they do that every time. If you go watch their videos for last 5-6 months, they change their opinion with every move in the market. But I'm telling you guys, there's no need to worry. Again, this is not a financial advice, just my personal opinion. But there's no need to worry. I believe Bitcoin is gonna move up from here. I know people are talking about this crossover on the weekly chart of Bitcoin, but I know previously whenever we saw a crossover, cross down, uh, Bitcoin sold off. But you need to keep in mind that we have a very big support area here. Let me draw it down for you. This area is a big support area. Okay, it will be very difficult for Bitcoin to break this area, as most people are saying Bitcoin may go down to 94,000. I don't think so. The reason is, if you remember last time when we saw this sell-off, this was the time when there was a war going on between Iran and Israel, and the US also got involved in that war. Even that big black swan event, when people were thinking there will be World War III, it did not made Bitcoin to break 100,000 level. We did not see a single daily or weekly candle closing below $100,000. So you need a bigger event than that war to break $100,000. Okay, this is a simple logic. Okay, common sense. But I know people are becoming overly bearish. There's a reason behind this madness, guys. These influencers, I personally feel they intentionally are doing that because they want you to get fearful and sell your tokens so they can buy your crypto from you at a very cheap price. So I would not get worried. I would hold my crypto because on September 17th, Fed is going to announce interest rate decision, and there's more than 80% probability that interest rates are gonna come down. They're gonna reduce interest rates. Reduction of interest rates, as you all know, is bringing a lot of liquidity in the market. More money will be flowing in the market. More money coming in the market. That means your crypto, your stock market will be moving up. So there's no need to worry. Okay. Now let's look at the BTC dominance. Before I look at the BTC dominance, guys, if you look at gold, gold has just broken 3,500 mark. And if I show you the monthly chart, gold is going parabolic. This is a very dangerous kind of trend, because if you look at MACD is creating a bearish divergence. So there might be a sudden sell-off in gold, okay? Because gold is sitting at almost $23 trillion market cap. There will be a sudden sell-off, and that sell-off, that money will flow into stocks and crypto. Okay, let's go back to BTC dominance. As you see, this is the monthly chart of BTC dominance. BTC dominance was moving up like crazy, And for last 2 months, we saw these red candles. BTC dominance came down to 57.90, and now it is moving up a little bit. So after a breakdown, it may come back a little bit, and then you may see something like this. Okay, continuation of a downward trend. If BTC dominance is moving down sharply, that means your altcoins are gonna go crazy. They're gonna go up like crazy. And this is Ethereum, guys. Ethereum, if you look at this trend line, it broke this trend line. Obviously, whenever you see a big breakout, you see a retest as well. So I wouldn't worry even if Ethereum comes down to 3,900, but I don't think it's gonna come down to that level. I think it's gonna move up from here. Ethereum is looking super bullish. Your Solana is sitting at above $200. So everything is looking bullish, guys. People are creating a panic in the market. You need to be intelligent enough to understand why they are doing that and what's the reason all these big influencers are becoming bearish. Okay, so there's nothing to worry. Let me flip the camera. So again, guys, I'm super excited for next couple of months. I believe after this rate reduction, Fed is expected to reduce interest rates. After that, we're gonna see a nice upward move in the market. I'm not worried at all. I'm just holding my crypto, and you have not seen the altcoin season yet. And that altcoin season is around the corner. Mark my words. You're gonna see a massive altcoin season. Again, not a financial advice, my personal opinion. Do your own research. And one more time, guys, my apologies for not posting any videos. I was actually traveling. I have traveled for last 2 weeks, and now I'm back. So you will be receiving daily updates from me, okay? And don't forget to join my TikTok lives. I usually come live at 8 p.m. EST, 8 p.m. New York time. See you.